Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video we are going to talk about assignments from the perspective of the parent. So here I have you at the parent class dashboard. If you are at the home page and you need to get to your parent dashboard, just go to the up right corner and click on classes to get to your classroom dashboard. If you wanted to help your student with assignments, or if you wanted to look and see what their assignments are, you would go to your assignments widget, and we have some here listed for chemistry, but maybe we wanted to look at assignments for another class. So I'm going to go ahead and take you over to Adventures in Reading, which is under My Classes widget. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm seeing this from, let's go to the student view. Okay, so here we have the Adventures in Reading homepage for the student Fred, and if I scroll down a bit, we have assignments. So you can see here that there's one current assignment and it's a book report. If your student needed help submitting his work online or her work online, you could do that for them from your parent classroom dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and click Open Book Report Outline. And here we can see a drop down. You could give the homework title. You could provide a URL. Maybe it's listed in a Google Drive. Or you could browse your computer and you can upload the book report and then click on Add Upload. You can also make comments to the teacher if you prefer under the comments section. This is a conversation that you'll have with just the teacher and the student. So your student will get a copy of this. And if the instructor leaves feedback, you'll see some feedback here under this column. You can also see the grade that they've gotten on this assignment. Right now, they got a 9 out of 10 because it was a book report they handed in physically. It was not something that they handed in online. If you have any further questions regarding assignments, please contact your administrator of your website.